How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back. My name's Tom Dyer, and these are two beetroot margaritas. One of them's alcoholic, one of them's non-alcoholic, by the way. If you want to know how I made them, check out my secondary channel, which is all about cocktails, where I'm showing you how to do alcoholic versions and non-alcoholic versions. But I can tell you now, they're both fucking delicious. So if you've seen that video of me making these delicious beetroot margaritas, you would have seen this move. That is a 2-bottle working Flair pour, and I have 5 more to show you today. So we have 6 2-bottle working Flair pours that you can use on your bar. So let's jump straight in. First one from the video, behind the back. Really, really simple. Here's how it's done. You're basically gonna pick up both bottles from your speed rail at the same time, and as you lift them up, the one which is in your left hand, you're gonna grab with your right hand. The one which is in your right hand, you're gonna throw behind your back to catch in your left. So practice your behind the back and practice your throw up to the opposite hand, and then you can do them together. Then you just simply make your pour. Move number 2 is the Jason, the quick Jason, yes. So we're gonna grab hold of the bottles like this. Palms away, thumbs down, grab hold of the Jose Cuervo or the tequila, whichever you want to use. And with the Cointreau, you can hold it by the body of the bottle. You might find that easier. Now we're going to leave that there for a second. With the Jose Cuervo, you're just turning it over and then dropping it down into this hand. You come over, and let go, and drop and catch. Now, with this bottle, you're throwing up and catching in the same position. When you throw up, that gap in between your hand and the Cointreau, you're gonna swipe the other hand through. So it's gonna go, so practice to do that first without the other bottle. Then you can put the two together, bosh, and come and make your pour. Yeah. 2 bottles, working Flair. Move number 3 is a tricky one, and it involves a stall on the elbow. Now you can simply just put the bottle on the elbow like this, and then perform the rest of the move. But if you can get to the point of throwing this up onto the elbow and then taking the bottle and completing the rest of the move, that is a step forward. So let me show you the rest of the move. So first things first, you're gonna balance the Cointreau on your elbow. It's easier to balance a Cointreau than it is Jose Cuervo. Then you're gonna literally place the Jose Cuervo in this hand. So you're holding onto both bottles like so. Ready for the thumbnail? Okay, now from here, you can come on top and take the Jose Cuervo off like this, or you can come underneath and let it drop into your hand like so, however you feel comfortable. But you can just go like this, the bottle comes around your head, and then you go to pour. So, around your head, and then bang, come and pour. Move number 3 involves holding 2 bottles at once and throwing one of them. It's a tricky one, so let's break it down. Now when you're using these 2 bottles, we're gonna start by grabbing the Jose Cuervo, because I want that solid and strong in my hand for when I'm gonna throw it. And then the Cointreau I'm gonna grab with my other 3 fingers, or however you feel comfortable, okay? Now from here, you're gonna swing it over like this. But as I swing, I'm gonna take the Cointreau, let's use this bottle right here. I'm gonna take the Cointreau out from my hand and come around here. As I take that Cointreau out, okay, the other bottle, the tequila Jose Cuervo, is gonna come behind my back, throw it up, bang, and catch. So grab, around, take the Cointreau up, and catch. Now you can come and do a double pour, reverse to the Cointreau, regular with the Jose Cuervo. To master the back to front, which is this move, I will leave a link at the end of this video where you can go and learn how to do that move, because that's gonna be an important one that you wanna learn. Move number 5 is quite an easy one, and it's kind of a variation of the first one that we had, but we're actually just doing it much more quickly. Here's how it's done. From the speed rail, you're gonna grab hold of the Cointreau and the tequila together. So Cointreau in between thumb and finger, tequila in between fingers. You lift up. As you lift up, you're gonna drop the Cointreau. Look at this hand around here. Hello. You're gonna drop the Cointreau into this hand. Doesn't matter how you catch it, just catch it. As it comes around your hand, you can then readjust it and you can perform another double pour. Like this, yes. Okay, the sixth and final move is a very tricky one. Here's how it looks. Sorry that I'm not pouring them out, but this is my real alcohol in here. First things first, we're gonna do the reverse forearm balance. So you're gonna put your hand back, bam, and balance that bottle on the reverse of your forearm. You need to get used to balancing that bottle there, like so, and then the next part's gonna be easier. So, balance, okay? Crouch down, so look, I'm using my legs. Grab hold of the Cointreau. Now I've got the Cointreau, now it comes dangerous because I need to push this up and then land it on the back of my hand like this. The way we do that is, you see, I'm using my legs. Boom, boom. Don't push your arm forward like this. You want to push up and then catch. So I recommend doing it without the other bottle to begin with. Boom, like this. And then when you're confident, you can use the other bottle. Once you get to that point, grab hold of the bottle, bam, make your pour. Yes, there we have it. 6 2-bottle working Flair pours that you can use on your bar today. Now, I was using real bottles, but you can get practice bottles like this. This is my very own Tom Dyer, Tom's Fly bottle. It's kind of rubbery and plasticky, really good. Doesn't hurt when it hits you, not that much. And we also have Flair sets as well. Check out the link in my bio, tomdyerbartender.com/shop. So you can get your hands on some of those bad boys. Yes, still working. And that is it. Thank you very, very much for watching. I really do appreciate you sticking around until the end of the video. And as I said, there's another video which you should watch right there, which I highly recommend. It's going to help you nail at least 2 of these moves in today's video. So go and check that one out. And then I'll see you on the next video. Well, until next time, I'll see you then.